Welcome back to MKE Gadgets. Today we're going to make a filler rod storage tube. This is my current setup for storing TIG filler rod. It's an 1.5 PVC tube with a cap that just slides on. I found out that this cap is not moisture proof, so the filler rod will rust. The second problem here, I have 3 different size filler rods for steel and I like to keep them all in the same tube. And the third problem with this, if you have a short piece of filler rod and you make a little hook, you lay it on the edge, but then the cap won't fit on. So today we're going to fix all 3 of these problems. Stay tuned. So these are the parts you're going to need. I'm using 3-inch PVC Schedule 40 tube. We're starting from the bottom. You're going to need a 3-inch end cap. You're going to need a piece of PVC tube, 27 inches long. 3-inch coupler. A female threaded fitting. A male threaded fitting that will thread into the female threaded fitting. PVC, 3-inch, 8 inches long. And to finish this off, an end cap. Let's start assembling. One of the end caps goes on the bottom of the 27-inch tube. The couplet goes on the top. The part where the female threads goes into the coupling. The male threads into the female. Your 8-inch piece of PVC into that, and then the end cap on the top. Everything has been dry fitted, and I'll glue everything together later on. Having this made from 3-inch PVC, we can get 3 sizes of wire in there with plenty of room. That solves the first problem. Second problem is with the threads. The threads will give us a nice airtight seal. And the third part is solved with this 3D printed part. That gets installed into the female threaded part. So you can see with the spider in here, it keeps the 3 sizes of wire separated, so it's easier to grab at a glance what size you need. Also, you can hook your shorter pieces of wire onto the spider, and that stops it from falling all the way down. If it falls all the way down, you forget you have it and you never use it. So actually, this will save your wire. You put your short pieces in there, you screw your cover back on, gives you a nice airtight seal. You'll label it so you know what kind of wire you have in there, and you're ready to go. I'll have a link down below to Thingiverse where you can print out your own spider. 3D printers are becoming more and more common. If you don't have one, ask a friend. I'm sure they'd be happy to do it for you. As always, this is MKE Gadgets. Thank you for viewing. Please subscribe to my channel. We'll see you tomorrow.